Hey everyone, it's Ryder from Skip. It's Monday, January 24th. Huge news today. Stocks continue to tumble today. We are in a full-on correction. The downfall has continued today. I'm going to talk about why this is happening now because of Fed policy, Ukraine, and many earnings reports this week. It's a huge deal, of course, if you have investments and stocks, but even if you don't, this will have major ripple effects for the entire economy. Here's the live look of the S&P 500. Look at this dip over the past week. Will it continue or not? I'll give my opinion in this quick video. By the way, if you want funding help for you or your business, go to helloskip.com/join. We have one-on-one personalized support, an amazing team. We've helped tens of thousands of individuals and small businesses get grants, get loans, get loan increases, collectively worth over $1 billion. If you don't know where to get started, or you do and you just want to talk through it, go to that link and book premium or VIP. If you're not sure what plan is best for you, at the bottom here you can click this link to schedule a time with our memberships team. So let's get into it. Drop in your comments here if this is affecting you. Here it is from the Wall Street Journal this morning. S&P 500 drops to correction territory amid market fall. There's a few reasons for this, but let me just talk about what's fallen. Stocks, oil, crypto, continuing a major bruising. If by some chance you are not down this year significantly, I'd love to hear in the comments. The S&P 500 fell 2.4% in morning trading. The swift drop put the broad benchmark index into correction territory, which is defined as a 10% drop from the recent high. And you can see how that looks right here from the recent high, nearly 10% drop. Tesla lost 7.4% today. The earnings report for them is coming out this week. Moderna fell 7.1%, Pfizer 2.6%, Nvidia 2.6%. So a lot of major companies are down today. The number one reason is what the Fed is doing. They're quickly phasing out their stimulus. Here it is. Last week, the 10-year yield on Treasury notes hit its highest level in more than 2 years. Yields have risen this year as the Fed has moved closer to hiking interest rates, punishing speculative bets such as stocks and crypto that flourished during a period of rock bottom rates. I talked about this effect on mortgage rates recently. You know, these rock bottom mortgage rates fueled this housing surge, this spike in demand, these record housing prices, and many folks are trying to buy quickly and lock in these low interest rates, still paying a premium, I might add, so you might want to wait there and see how this shakes out. A second fear is the possible Russian invasion of Ukraine. Over the weekend, the U.S. State Department advised all personnel in Ukraine to leave, and the White House is considering sending several thousand troops to Europe. The third is there's a fresh batch of corporate earnings reports coming out this week, including some big tech companies. In fact, let me pull it up here. Here's what's happening today. Microsoft, GE, Lockheed Martin, Hyundai. Here's what's up tomorrow. Tesla is going to release their earnings report. J&J, Verizon, Apple, and Visa also later this week and next week. And next week, Amazon, Facebook, ExxonMobil releasing earnings reports. So a lot of earnings reports coming out. People are a bit wary of what's going to happen when those come out. Maybe there's a slight rebound if there's positive news. I mentioned how Peloton and Netflix have taken significant hits over the past week. Shares dropped drastically. Activist investor calls on Peloton to fire its CEO. Plus, there's rumors about Peloton, whether they should explore a sale or not. Peloton stock has plummeted more than 80% from its high as growth has slowed. Let me bring up Bitcoin again. Is this another dip like we've seen? It's lost half its value. The cryptocurrency retreated to near 33,000. With evidence pointing to a step back among smaller traders, we do know that over the last year and a half, many of the momentum behind crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others has been small traders on apps like Robinhood pushing up the price. It's declined for 6 out of the last 7 days, retreating nearly 10% on Monday. Of course, a lot of this may be ripple effects. If you're a small-time trader who's got a lot in Bitcoin, you've most likely lost a good chunk of money over the past week or two and may be wondering whether to sell now or hold on. Of course, many experts predicted there would be a correction, so this isn't that surprising. Knowing what we've known about Fed rates going up and crypto in general being highly risky, highly speculative, the volume of small dollar-sized transfers, retail investors investing in crypto, which has fueled a lot of this, like I mentioned, has declined by over 40% between the first and fourth quarters of last year, according to a blockchain data research firm. Ethereum has fallen even further than Bitcoin, down 53% from the last record it notched, also in November. Solana is down 64%. Shiba Inu is down 75%. If you are investing in any of these, I'd love to hear in the comments. I think this is going to continue through this week, especially with some of these earnings reports. We may see a little bit of a rally, but there's a lot of indicators to think this may continue for a little while. Of course, there's no signs of pumping trillions of dollars back into the economy, which is what helped rebound the massive March 2020 decline. I'll keep you posted there. By the way, I have some great videos coming out this week on other funding options, other grant options, ways to help you as an individual or a small business owner. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, turn on the alerts. You know we're donating most of our YouTube revenue back to you, subscribers of our channel, supporters of Skip and our app. And lastly, helloskip.com/join to get one-on-one personalized funding support. Choose premium or VIP. We have a few spots left for both over the next few days. Most importantly, thanks for tuning in, liking this video. Stay well, stay healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.